So hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to show only current directory name, that is in this case webdev, and not the full path, that is this part, the part before the webdev. Okay, and also I'll get rid of this as well. And why are we doing this? Because it takes a lot of real estate on your terminal, that's the reason. So before beginning, I'd like to show you the guy who gave me the idea to do it. So his name is Quack Exot, and I hope I have taken his name the correct way. So he explained something, but I did some slight modification into that, and I'll show you what I did. So what you have to do is simply go into the description and follow the steps given there and follow the video. Okay, you have to just copy and paste the code and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. Okay, so first of all, copy this, press enter, and you have to find something like this part. Okay, some things which is written like this, color prompt. Below that there is a, I guess it's a variable. Okay, so you have to clear the value that it contains, clear all of it. And you just have to paste the second line. Okay, I have to get rid of this. Yep, this is how you have to paste it, and that's it. Actually, that's all. You're done. Now you have to just exit this bash. So you have to press Ctrl plus X, and before exiting it would ask you to save the file. So press Y to save it and then hit enter. But as you can see, it's still the same thing. Don't worry, you just have to create a new terminal, and there it is. As you can see, it's now webdev. Okay, so this is the current working directory, and for example, if I move into some other directory in this directory, I'll show you how. Then that is replaced, the webdev is replaced by project, and obviously if I move back, it would again show me webdev. So you would be aware of the directory that you are currently in, and you won't have to keep writing pwd to figure out which directory you are in. So I hope you find this helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a like, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys again next time. Thank you for watching.